Now I am going to present about my mini project called chronic kidney disease. It is a relevant health condition affecting millions globally, causing significant discomfort and medical costs. Early and accurate prediction of CKDs can improve patient outcomes and reduce healthcare burdens by enabling preventive measures and timely interventions. This study focuses on developing a predictive model for CKD formulation, utilizing machine learning techniques applied to medical data, including demographics, lifestyle factors, diabetes habits, family history, and clinical requirements. Now I'm going to predict the CKD by using various criteria: age, albumin level, and then hypertension. The predictive model leverages various algorithms such as logistic regression, decision tree, and neural networks to identify Now I am going to present about the overview of the project. The overview of the project is CKD is a progressive condition characterized by the gradual loss of kidney function over time. Early detection is critical for preventing severe complications and improving patient outcomes. Logistic regression, a widely used statistical model for binary classification, offer a reliable approach for predicting CKD by analyzing patterns in clinical data. So the dataset we occur in is used by using Kaggle. Demographic data, age, gender, clinical measurements, blood pressure, blood sugar, and serum creatine, hemoglobin 11. Categorical features such as presence of diabetes, hypertension, or other comorbidities. It is also used by measuring glomerular level. Now we are going to use a machine learning model called logistic regression model. It predicts the probability of CKD presence based on input features. It uses the logistic or sigmoid function to model the relationship between dependent and independent variables. Then coming to the evaluation metrics, we are going to predict the accuracy of the model, measures overall correctness of predictions, precision and recall, evaluate the relevance and completeness of CKD prediction. By using F1 score and AOC score, we are going to predict it. Now, why you are going to use CKD prediction for logistic regression? For binary classification, logistic regression is designed by binary outcomes such as yes or no, CKD is there or not, like we are going to predict. Interpretability, the coefficient of the model provide insights into the influence of each predictor on CKD risk. Probabilistic outcomes, it not only predicts the class but also provides the probability of CKD presence, aiding in this satisfaction. Background on CKD and its significance. So, CKD affecting millions worldwide and major cause of morbidity and mortality. The disease progressive silently, often going undetected with advanced stages, like it causes 4 stages. Logistic regression, a machine learning and statistical model approach, is widely used for medical diagnosis tasks, including CKD prediction. So now we are going to predict with logistic regression and by using Streamlit. Now I am going to prepare about the hardware requirements and software requirements. So in hardware requirement, we need processor Intel Core i5 or higher, RAM minimum 8 GB, storage 256 GB or SSD or higher, GPU NVIDIA CUDA compatible GPU for faster training, keyboard standard content keys enhanced. Then about software requirements, operating system Windows 10 or 11 or Ubuntu. Programming language such as Python or Streamlit we can use. Framework is logistic regression and dataset is about Kaggle. So the technology used in this CKD prediction is about IDE, Google Colab. Then framework is normally sklearn and Streamlit. Code environment is Google Colab. Then we are going to deploy using web app using Streamlit. Machine learning framework is logistic regression. So Python is a high-level programming language popular for its versatility in data science and artificial intelligence. So it commonly comes with significance such as ease of use, interpreted language, cross-platform compatibility, and extensive libraries, open source. So freely available community support. Logistic regression is widely used machine learning algorithm for binary classification problems. So we are going to predict it by using CKD predictor or not, making it an ideal choice for predicting chronic kidney disease. It models the relationship between a dependent binary variable, presence or absence of CKD, and one or more independent variables such as blood pressure, serum creatine levels, hemoglobin and age. Logistic regression calculates the probability of an event occurring and outputs a value between 0 and 1, enabling the classification of patients as likely as unlikely to have CKD. Its simplicity, interpretability and efficiency make it particularly suitable for healthcare applications, where understanding the influence of individual predictors is critical. For instance, the model's coefficient provide insights into the impact of clinical features of CKD risk, helping healthcare providers make informed decisions. Additional techniques such as regularization can be applied to handle warping and multiple collinearity, ensuring robust predictions. By leveraging logistic regression, CKD prediction systems can provide accurate, probabilistic outputs to aid early diagnosis and improve patient outcomes. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the model's data structures that code we are going to use. So importing pandas as CKD, then training it and using logistic regressions and encoders levels. Then using the dataset we are going to use, then the features that we are going to use, the target values and the predicted values. Then testing is using x and y variables, then xy train, then using Streamlit for the conversion to the. Then we are going to deploy a web app using the Streamlit. Load the model, scaler and encoder, define the app, input field of user data, then using our criteria to predict such as BP, sugar levels, albumin levels and red blood cell counts and WBCC count, then hypertension. So it comes to an end, we have having a CKD prediction or not. Then using predictions, using the Streamlit functions. So this is how we are going to predict the CKD models by using logistic regressions and using Streamlit to deploy a web app. Thank you.